What I can do as an attorney is educate you, explain to you how CPS works, and guide you to get you to a place where CPS doesn't have real ongoing safety or risk concerns about you or your household. So a lot of times when social services has a referral and they're investigating it, let's take domestic violence, for example. I can get and help get you started on finding the kind of class to get education on domestic violence, for example. So before you talk to the social worker, you might have already gone down to the local group domestic violence classes and seen what they had to offer. Maybe you'd be interested in it and you've already enrolled. You can go to the meeting saying, look, I've already gone down there, I've talked to the leader down there, and I've already enrolled for 6 classes because they really seem to have a lot of information that would be helpful. Or let's say parenting classes. Let's say a teacher calls because your child said you didn't handle a discipline matter very well or something. And maybe you didn't handle it very well, and for the first time in your life, it just kind of got out of hand, right? So what I would do is I would get you down to a local parenting class or get you signed up online to parenting classes, lead you to more age-appropriate parenting classes that would really address this new stage in your child's life and your new stage as a parent. What do I do when my kid does this? I've never had this problem before. And you start getting the, education on better ways to handle kids so that it doesn't resort to physical discipline or yelling or emotional abuse or things like that they try to pin parents with. You've already addressed any future concern and you're already on it, you're already enrolled, you already get it. You say, hey, this would be a good class for anybody. In fact, I think I'm going to bring a couple of my friends with me because they have kids the same age, things like that. So what you're doing for the social workers, you're saying, look, I get it. I already enrolled in classes, and my community, my neighbors, my friends, they're actually going to go with me because their daughters are doing the same thing or their sons are doing the same thing. So what you're doing is you're addressing the current concern, you're addressing the future risk of concern, and you're also building a community within yourself where you can share with other parents what works and what doesn't work. And this is the kind of thing social services is out there to do, is to redirect, I guess, bad behavior. But if you're already directing yourself in the right direction, there's no need for them to step in and tell you what to do.